Starting with revaluation account, Prince Pal will tell me what are the items which are debited to revaluation account. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में कौन कौन से आइटम्स आते हैं? प्रिंस पाल.
Creditors capital.
Debit side of revaluation account.
Sir, stock capital or profit on revaluation.
Khushpreet. Which are debited to revaluation account on the debit side of revaluation account.
Sir, decrease in asset,
Okay.
increase in liability,
Okay.
unrecorded liability, and profit, net profit share.
Very good. Revaluation account is a nominal account. Nature is nominal. We have to debit all expenses and losses, and we have to credit all income and gains. तो नुकसान कब होता है? जब असेट की वैल्यू कम होती है. रीवैल्यूएशन ऑफ असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज है. When the value of asset will decrease, it will be recorded on the debit side. When the value of asset will increase, it will be recorded on the credit side. Similarly, liability, अगर liability कम होगी तो हमें फायदा होगा. So it will be recorded on the credit side.
Credit side.
बढ़ेगी, ये नुकसान होगा. It will be recorded on the debit side. अनरिकॉर्डेड असेट, अगर कोई असेट अनरिकॉर्डेड रह गई है जिसको कि हम रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गए हैं, देन ऑल्सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द असेट. मींस फायदा होगा हमें. एक टाइपराइटर था 5,000 रुपए का जो बैलेंस शीट में शो नहीं किया था, बाद में पता चला, तो हम उसे लिखेंगे अब, तो हमें फायदा होगा. इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. वैसे ही कोई अनरिकॉर्डेड लायबिलिटी होगी, it will be recorded on the debit side because it will be a loss to the firm. We will have to pay more. तो आपको एक क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं again today, and let me see whether you are able to prepare the revaluation account or not. क्वेश्चन हम आपको नोट करा रहे हैं. नोट करिए क्वेश्चन. बैलेंस शीट बनाइए पहले. एवरीबडी, सेम क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू गिव and not from your book, so that I can see how many of you have understood something. Prepare balance sheet as on 31st March 2015. I am keeping a view on everybody. Keep your cameras on. मैं remove कर दूंगा तुरंत. I will remove immediately if your camera is not on. फिर बाद में उससे मत कहना सर आपने रिमूव कर दिया. बैलेंस शीट PQR पार्टनर है एंड 5:4:3 रेशियो है. 5:4:3. नोट करिए. बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड, स्टॉक 3 लाख. स्टॉक इज 3 लाख. फर्नीचर 60,000. 60. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 31. Plant and machinery, sorry. Plant and machinery 4,20,000. Cash 40,000. Everybody should be seen writing. Debtors 2,10,000. Debtors. Vyom. Debtors 2,10,000. Vyom.
Yes, sir.
Keep the camera on. 5 चीजें हो गई आपकी. Stock 3 lakh. Furniture 60,000. Plant and machinery 4,20,000. Cash 40,000. And debtors 2,10,000. Liability side आ जाइए. Creditors 50,000. 50. Creditors 50,000. 50. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses 5,000. Reserve 75,000. Reserve 75,000. Capital of PQR. Capital of PQR. Devang 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Four lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Total of balance sheet 10,30,000. Total of balance sheet is 10,30,000. Now, it was decided that the new profit sharing ratio will be 4:3:2. It was decided new profit sharing ratio to be 4:3:2. 4:3:2. Revaluation was done. Revaluation was done. Point number 1, adjustment number 1. Revaluation was done. उसमें नंबर 1 है furniture is taken at 80% of the value. Furniture to be taken at 80% of value. Jasanjeet. Number 2 point, stock is appreciated. Stock is appreciated by 20%. Jasanjeet, turn the camera on. Plant and machinery is valued at 4 lakh. 4 lakh. create provision for doubtful debt, create provision for doubtful debt for 10,000 on debtors, for 10,000 on debtors, outstanding expenses to be increased by 3,000, outstanding expenses to be increased by 3,000. Sundry creditors amounting to rupees 5,000 are not likely to be claimed, are not likely to be claimed. Last point, an old typewriter, an old typewriter to be taken into account. An old typewriter मतलब unrecorded, बैलेंस शीट में तो कहीं शो नहीं हो रहा टाइपराइटर, बैलेंस शीट में तो अभी कहीं टाइपराइटर शो नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये अनरिकॉर्डेड था. एन ओल्ड टाइपराइटर टू बी टेकन इनटू अकाउंट रुपीज 2,000, रुपीज 2,000. आपको सिर्फ रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाना है एंड जर्नल एंट्री पास करनी है, दैट्स ऑल.
सर एक बार फोर्थ पॉइंट दोबारा बोल दो.
हाँ जी,
फोर्थ पॉइंट एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
फोर्थ पॉइंट, क्रिएट प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स फॉर 10,000 ऑन डेटर्स.
ठीक है सर.
Create provision for doubtful debts create provision for doubtful debts, create provision for doubtful debts at the rate of, रेट नहीं दिया है इसमें, टोटल दिया है 10,000 रुपीज. 10,000 रुपीज के प्रोविजन आपको क्रिएट करने हैं ऑन डाउटफुल डेब्ट. Start from either side, debit side or credit side. Look at the value of assets and liabilities, whether they are on the asset side or liability side. See the increase or decrease in the value of asset and find out whether the firm is going to earn profit or firm is going to incur loss. Accordingly, according to the nature of the revaluation account, place them on the proper sides. Either we will have profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities, or we will have loss on the revaluation of assets and liabilities. Let me see who does it first. तो सबसे पहले कर ले, raise your hand. You all are on the screen and you are getting recorded what you are doing. Keep it on. Sahiba, Ars, Jasanjeet, Hassan. You should be seen doing your work. ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, आपको पता है. Again and again you are not following the instruction. I can see those who are doing. Sahibdeep is doing. Prince Pal is doing the work. जिन्होंने नहीं करना वही अपना कैमरा अपने मुंह पे फोकस कर रखा है. तुम्हारा मुंह नहीं देखना मैंने. I have told you to keep yourself away from the camera. I am not interested in your faces. I want you to be doing work. Pushpiplani is doing, Prince is doing, Sahiba is also trying, Harinder is trying, Sanjana is doing, Mahima I can see clearly, Vansika also, Suhani, all these I can see, they are doing something in their notebooks. Others are showing me their faces. There will be either profit on revaluation or loss on revaluation. Anybody? Whether profit or loss? Okay, you will tell me the answer in the next class. Properly you will solve and write all the journal entries also. You have 5 to 10 minutes of time to solve till the next class start. And show me in the next class proper solution and journal entries. Till then, take care of yourself.